Have you ever noticed that certain moments leave a lasting impression, even when nothing extraordinary seems to happen? Often, it's not the action itself that creates the impact. It's the emotions, trust, and unspoken signals exchanged between two people. Real intimacy goes far beyond physical closeness. It reflects emotional security, self-control, and genuine connection. While many people assume attraction is based only on appearance or chemistry, lasting attraction is usually built on something much deeper. It's shaped by confidence, emotional stability, mutual respect, and the ability to make another person feel understood. In today's video, we'll explore 5 Stoic-inspired psychological principles that offer a different perspective on emotional connection and attraction. Instead of relying on myths or cliches, we'll examine the subtle behaviors and mindset that often influence how trust and closeness develop over time. Welcome back to Stoicism Mastermind. To everyone who has supported this community, thank you for being part of the journey. Your encouragement allows these conversations to continue. I hope you and your family remain healthy, resilient, and successful wherever life takes you. If you're new here, consider subscribing and joining us. This channel isn't about chasing approval or manipulating people. It's about understanding human behavior through the lenses of psychology, philosophy, and timeless Stoic principles. Let's begin with the first lesson. Truth number 1. Emotional safety comes before emotional openness. For many women, genuine intimacy begins long before any physical moment. It starts with a simple internal question. Can I trust this person enough to be completely myself? Trust isn't built through impressive words or grand gestures alone. It's created by consistency, emotional maturity, and the feeling that someone can remain calm when life becomes unpredictable. When a man reacts impulsively, constantly seeks validation, or struggles to manage his emotions, it becomes difficult for deep trust to develop. Emotional steadiness, on the other hand, creates an environment where openness feels natural rather than risky. This is why emotional security matters so much. It's less about the moment itself, and more about what that moment represents. Genuine closeness often reflects confidence, patience, and mutual respect. However, trust is only the beginning. Once emotional safety exists, another psychological element begins to shape attraction, and that's what we'll explore next. Truth number 2. Self-control is one of the strongest signals of confidence. Attraction isn't determined by loud displays of confidence or constant attempts to impress. More often, people are drawn toward individuals who remain composed under pressure. A person who can think clearly, regulate emotions, and stay grounded during stressful situations communicates quiet confidence without needing to announce it. This kind of presence creates certainty. Rather than feeling unpredictable or emotionally unstable, it gives others a sense of reliability and balance. Many women aren't simply attracted to confidence itself. They're attracted to emotional consistency. Calmness combined with purpose often leaves a stronger impression than dramatic words or exaggerated behavior. Stoic philosophy has emphasized this idea for centuries. True strength begins with mastering yourself before trying to influence anyone else. But emotional control isn't the whole story. Lasting connection also depends on authenticity, and that's where the next principle takes the discussion in a different direction.